How to find your OBS recordings. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open OBS Studio. Once you do, you will see the option of settings there. Simply click on it. Once you click on settings, you will see a window opening on your screen. In that window, from the left hand side, you will see the menu. From that, simply go to Output. Once you go to Output, there you will see the location where your videos are being saved. So while recording, you will not be able to change this recording path. So once you are done recording, go to the same option. There you can simply choose the option of Browse to change the path where you want your videos to be saved. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to find your OBS recordings. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.